An employer match is when your employer contributes a certain amount of money to your retirement savings based upon how much you contribute to it. Some workplaces will match what you contribute dollar for dollar up to a set percentage of your wages. Others may match at a different percentage depending on the specific policy of your workplace. Let's look at an example. Ted earns $65,000 per year and contributes 4% of his pay to his retirement savings. His contributions are automatically deducted tax-free from each paycheck, and it amounts to $100 per paycheck that goes to his retirement. Over the course of 1 year, he has deposited a total of $2,600 in his retirement savings account. Ted's employer will match his contributions dollar for dollar up to 5% of his pay. Since Ted's contributing 4% of his pay, his employer matches 4%. At the end of 1 year, Ted contributed $2,600 and his employer contributed $2,600. That's a total of $5,200. For Ted to receive the full 5% match from his employer, he needs to contribute at least 5%. Let's see what happens if he increases his contributions from 4% to 5%. At 4%, he puts $100 in his retirement savings each paycheck. At 5%, he's putting an additional $25 for a total of $125 per paycheck. And if he puts money into his retirement savings as a pre-tax contribution, he'll pay less taxes overall. His employer matches his contribution, and here's where things really start to add up. Over the course of 1 year, Ted has invested $3,250 in his retirement. His employer has matched that for a total of $6,500. You can see how a small increase on Ted's part can lead to a significant increase overall due to receiving his full employer match. Remember that Ted can save even more for retirement by increasing his contribution beyond the employer match. It's recommended that people save 15% of their wages to have a comfortable retirement. If you're unsure of what you and your employer currently contribute to your retirement savings, you can find this information on your pay stub. To increase your contribution rate, log into your State of Michigan 401k and 457 plans account at stateofmi.voya.com.